you have conscience? Don't you feel ridiculous of what you're doing right now?
You're very stupid for saying that thing you just said. You are very, very stupid. Give me the money now.
Ozoma, you don't know. If you need money, I will give it to you.
What do you mean by that? What do you mean by that? As your puppet or what, Kelly?
Ozoma.
As your puppet or what?
I will not give you the right to make me a bad man. Never.
Okay. Very well then. No problem. You must give it to me.
Ozoma, hold it. Ozoma, listen. Ozoma, hold it. Listen.
You have to kill me today! Kelly! Dude. I've done everything. I've done everything just the way you advised. It's not working. I've abused him, I've hit him, I've ranted. He's not responding to me. He's not fighting back.
Ah, Ozoma Ogo, you don't have sense. It's not like I want to insult you. That's because you have not found his weakening points. If you have found his weakening point, toughen your pa, you give him up and down. My friendship, he will fight back. Yes, he will fight back. Then he will post it on social media that he assaulted you. Yes. Then the whole world will fight against it for you, my dear. Before you know, your divorce is easier. My dear, you better wake up from your slumber.
Yes, but he doesn't get angry easily. He's a nice person. He's very patient. I'm beginning to even feel guilty. Because I've pushed him to the edge. Like there's nothing I've not done. I'm beginning to pity him. He doesn't ever respond. I've insulted him. I used a spoon to hit him today. Abused him very well. He still didn't respond.
Well, you didn't slap him well. Wafun is slap in the jaw. You give him slap in the jaw. He will fight back.
How?
How, Bibao? How, Bibao? Somebody that you hijack. You will hit him. When you hit him, if possible, invite his mother down. When you invite his mother talk 1, you talk 14. It's too much, you chase the mother out. If you can even break television, go tap that leg, turn the house upside down. He will fight back. Then you will stand. Before you know, the whole world has come. Everybody will fight against him. And you'll be in charge.
Okay, you have a point there. Alright, okay. I'll try that one this time. I'll try that one.
You just arrived. You know Nabuki Ajayi cannot fuck up. Oshedeni, you have arrived. Well, let me talk to you later. I'm busy.
This step you take could break your home. This step you take could lead to death. Away my sin.
Here. Ozoma, come to the bed now. Come to the bed.
And do what? Hey, don't even come close to me. Don't come close to me. What's that?
For 3 months now, I've not touched my wife. 3 months.
You will not touch me until you begin to treat me like your wife.
Ozoma, what is it you've asked when I'm not giving it to you? What is it?
What kind of stupid question is that? Why are you asking that kind of stupid question? Oh, that's why you're sweating like this. That's why you're sweating like this. You must be very foolish to ask me that kind of question. That's gotten to this one now, you're sweating. Talking yourself, you're sweating. Please, if you don't want me to sleep, I'll go and sleep in the parlor. Or I'll go to the gate man's house and go and sleep there.
It's alright. It's alright. Sleep.
Hold on to the vow you made to each other. For better, for worse, is the journey of love. A wise woman builds, but the foolish destroys. Be careful to avoid regret.
What's going on here? Why are my things outside?
Stupid question from a stupid man.
Look, take these things inside and stop this madness right now!
For what? I brought them outside because one of us must leave this house for the other.
Ozioma, I said, take these things inside and stop this madness right now!
Why are you shouting at me? Why are you pouring spit in my eyes? Can you not see you're pouring spit in my eyes?
You don't stop me! Oh. Yes. This is the last time you will ever lay your hands on me, you idiot!
You slapped me!
Yes!
You slapped me!
Yes!
I'm coming! I'm coming!
Ozioma! Open this door! Open this door!
What will I do to him? What will I do to him that will pain him? What will I do? Yes. Yes, yes. Yes, yes. Yes.
Ozioma, I said, open this door! Oh my goodness. What have I gotten myself into? Open this door, Ozioma!
You slapped me.
Yes.
You slapped me. This is it. This marriage is over!
Ozioma! You tore our wedding certificate!
Yes!
Yeah.
I am tired! You slapped me! It's over!
You tore our wedding certificate!
In fact, I am leaving! I am sick and tired!
You tore our wedding certificate, Ozioma! No. Ozioma, open this door! Wonder they say shall never end. Wonder they say shall never... Ozioma, open this door! Open this door! In my own house. In my own house. This is it. This is final. I have it up to here.
Kilode, you are sitting there, Kilode, well, don't jump that wire. What is it?
Okay. I shouted though. I shouted. And then I told him, I'm leaving.
Eh?
I'm leaving.
Me ogbo, to so talk it again.
I was shouting, I said, I'm leaving.
You shouted.
And then I packed my things.
Better.
But it did not stop me and I left.
Thank you. You heard me. Ozioma, you heard what I said. Listen, every time you're always boasting of him, making me feel like a useless woman. Now, let me see how you achieve anything without a man.
I don't understand, Buki.
Kenny?
You said that he has somebody in Calabar now and that you are catching him with girls.
He's in Enugu. Calabako. My darling, you are now in the club of single ladies. You are very stupid to dance to my tune. Oh, Ogbon. Me, Yoruba girl. Oh, Ogbon, you don't have sense. I say jump, you jump. I say sit, you sit. You are boasting. You try, you are okay. We are now with my friendship. You are welcome to my class. Oh, yeah, but your head no correct.
You are lying.
Kenny, you say, don't bring tears here. Don't just bring tears here. If you like, call it jealousy. I don't care. Whatever you call it, here or call me, no concern me. My darling, we are in the same shoe. Okpa, we are the same clothes. Welcome to the class. Clap for yourself, oh baby, oh baby. Okay, similar. Don't cry on me, oh. Mark, similar.
You're lying.
Me con mo ko be, oh.
Everything was a lie.
It's a thought true ni. Ozoma, please, don't come and cry on me. Don't cry on me. You are a fool. Next time, if your woman say stand up, you will learn to sit down. I say stand up, you stand up. Every time you know, he bought a phone for me. He did something for me. Now, are you the only one that's in husband's house?
You saw him.
You say you saw. So call. Saw ni. Saw. I beg. Wait that this thing. When you are done.
This step you take.
What are you doing here? Eh? What are you doing here?
What am I doing here? I cannot come inside.
What's my dress? I don't know what's wrong with Johnny. Eh? He has been shouting, smoking. As in, I can't even describe.
Let's go inside.
Man, don't go inside. Ah, my friend.
Hey! What are you doing with this fool? Huh?
Excuse me. Are you calling me a fool?
You are a fool, and if you dare talk back at me, I will slap the living daylight out of you! Are you mad?
Yes,
Come on, go inside! Go inside! And as for you, if I see you anywhere close to my woman again, you will see what I will do to you. I'm off here.
This is not happening. Okay. Okay.
Hold on to the vow you made to each other. For better, for worse, is the journey of love. A wise woman builds, but the foolish destroys. Be careful to avoid regret.
What are you doing here?
Kelly, I can't come to my husband's house again.
I am not your husband. Go to your father's house. I've collected the money I paid on your head as my price.
I don't understand, boy. What happened?
I believe you are not deaf. I don't ever want to see you loitering around here. Now, get out. Osman, get out!
Shut up, just let me come out.
I said get out! Let me out! Get out! Yes. Idiot. Where is this boy? Where is that man? Where is that man? You open my head.
This step you take could take a life. Away might seem right. Away might seem right.
Who be that? Madam Nayi, wait to. Moga say man not let me enter here again.
What does that mean? Are you mad?
Now the instruction. Moga tell me say make I not allow me enter here again.
Are you out of your mind?
Yes, ma'am.
You are?
Yes, ma'am. Madam, call Oga on the phone. Call Oga for phone. If you see me allow you, I go open gate for you. Call him for phone.
Me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Don't worry. By the time I finally enter into this compound to see my husband, you see you and this 10 strands of baby on your jaw, you'll be out of this place. Yeah. You will see.
Make you enter first, now.
Let me see my husband.
Oga.
What's going on there?
Now, madam,
Who's madam?
Come see him now. Come see him. See ya.
Baby, can you imagine?
Baby who? Ozoma, have I not warned you to stay away from any place that belongs to me?
Baby.
Don't baby me!
My love. My heartbeat.
Ozoma, get lost. Please. And you ever allow this woman into this company or open this gate for her again? You're fired!
Okay, sir.
Baby, you
Don't baby me!
Yeah.
Madam, they go.
Boss, my brother, I'm very sorry that I insulted you. I even made a mistake. You don't have 10 strands of beers, it's more. Please, let me just go inside and beg him. I'm begging you, please.
Thank you, ma. They go. They go. No, I don't
Babe! My love! Oh my God. Kelly! Kelly! Babe!
Madam, they go!
My love! My love! My heartbeat, baby! Kelly! Where am I today? I went from grace to grass. I'm working for a boy who used to work under me. So what's the essence of all this long sermon? That I should go back to Izuna over my dead body. I will not let you stay here. Are you going to chase me away? You will go back to your husband's house. I will not harbor you here. Ebube, listen. Listen to me. Make a U-turn before you make this mistake. Listen. Who is it? Come in. What? Izuna. What is it?
We need to save Steve. We need to save him. He's dying.
What happened?
I came back and Anne said he was complaining of chest pain. Then I took him to the hospital. The doctor said that his kidney has been badly damaged and he needs to be operated in 3 days, else he will die.
God, that's not good news. That's bad. That's bad news.
Babe, we need to save our son.
What do you want me to do? I am not a doctor.
I know. I want us to sell the land which I bought in your name. Just to save our son.
Are you out of your mind? You want me to sell the only thing I have?
Ube.
Why don't you sell your car and save your son? Ube, please. Ozoma, please stop. You think I'm a fool? She wants me to sell the only thing I gain after leaving that miserable thing called marriage. Never. Sell your car and save your son.
Ube.
We are talking about your son. Ozoma, you want him to die? Ozoma, stop painting me bad here. I just got divorced and the only thing I gained from the marriage is this land and he wants me to sell it.
Wait, please. I'm going to buy the land back for you. I'm going to give you back the money. Let's just do anything just to save our son, please.
Story for the gods. Calm down, everybody.
Wait, God.
Maybe I can borrow the money from the company tomorrow.
Okay.
How much are we talking about here?
It's 3 million naira.
What?
3 million naira.
Oh, this is not good. This is not good at all. 3 million? Sir. No. Did you get the money?
I don't even know what to sell to make up the money.
Hey! Hey! Sir, why not sell your car? Sell your car.
No one can buy the car. Besides, I cannot sell it up to 3 million.
Hey! Hey!
Oh, God.
Hey. Sir, don't you think you have to go to the village and sell any of your land? At least you can make up with that of the car, you know? Just look at Steve. Because I don't want anything to happen to Steve.
Please, look after him, okay?
I will. Steve, please. Steve, please. Hey.
It's okay, man. And the car is not bad though.
I told you.
Can I check the engine of the car, please?
Of course, you're free. You'll be surprised with the sound. You'll be very surprised. What do you think?
Well, the car is not bad.
I told you.
How much are you selling?
Half a semicar, I give you like 2.5, normal rates, but just give me 2.2 million. What's so funny?
You're very funny, man. How can I buy this car 2.2 million? Am I mad? This car you have been driving for 2 years now. Huh?
It's still very sharp.
No, I can't buy this car that price.
So what do you think?
I can only buy 1.5 million.
Monday, come on.
1.5 million.
You can't buy this car 1.5 million. This is just 2 years of this car.
My brother, I can't buy this car more than that. Okay, can't you see?
Oh. What are we saying now?
1.5 million. Or you look for another buyer. Okay. Okay.
Bros,
So I'm
bros.
leaving.
Bros, you can't. Wait
million.
Wait. Okay, you know what happened? Eh? No problem. Bring the money.
1.5 million.
Just transfer.
Okay, no problem. Okay, let me see.
What else do you want to check?
There's something I see that some oil down there. Let me see if it's leaking. Underneath is not even neat. Eh? And it's leaking oil.
This car leaking oil.
Yeah, it's leaking oil. Come and
bros,
see it. Look
bros,
at, just take a look at it. Just take a look at it.
Bros, it's not. This car is not leaking. That thing is engine.
Yeah.
AC water.
No, I can't buy this car. You should have told me that this car is leaking oil.
So what are we saying now?
I can't buy this car that price.
But
Please, I can only buy 1.2 million.
1.2 million.
1.2 million.
Okay,
Please have your
if
key.
you don't want to buy it, just leave it.
No,
I'm not selling like that.
I can't buy that. I can't buy this car. Look at the engine.
Leave
leaking
it like
oil,
that.
my brother.
The
It's
car
leaking
is
oil.
very new.
No, I can't
It's
buy
very,
that.
very new.
1.2 million.
No, 1.5 million. I can't bring the price of this car. Look at the car you're buying now. It's not neat. Yeah. But I gave you on a cheaper rate. You're trying to still bring it down. What's that now? Yeah.
I am down and living in fear. There is so much that's going on around me. Is this my fate or the way I choose to live? There is no one who understands me. No one understands what I've been through. No one understands the mess I'm in.
I was only able to raise 500,000 naira. In fact, I had to lie to my boss that I needed the money for my mother's operation.
Thank you so much.
Have you been able to raise anything?
Not yet, but I put up my car for sale and they're pricing it like peanuts.
That doesn't matter. You have to sell the car so you can raise enough money for the deposit.
Yeah, I'll do that. But I want to thank you for everything. All you've done. I will never ever forget this.
That's kind. Besides, it's nothing. I couldn't get it back from the department.
It's okay. I can handle that.
Hey, take it easy. Yeah?
I will. Thank you so
Regards
much.
to Junior.
I have to go now.
You should. Take care. Let me show you something. Is that surprise? What is it? Here we go. What a car. Yes. Isn't it beautiful? Are you mad? Is something wrong with your head? What is it? I don't get it. Christ. Your son is in the hospital. And the first thing you do with the land that you sold is to buy a car? Ozema, please. I didn't come here for this, your sermon. What is wrong with you? What is wrong with your head? What is it? Who is the boy I saw you with last time? Oh, he's my sugar. Ozema, please, I just came to show you my car. Why are you getting angry? I'm not angry. I'm feeling embarrassed and ashamed of how useless and heartless you are acting. Stop it. Enough. Ozema, this is my life. Allow me to live it to the fullest. You don't have any right to detect me what is good and bad. Really? Yes. Oh, I see. You're jealous. Yes. You're jealous because you do not have a car. Let me educate you. Better still, let me inform you. That's just in case you haven't heard or you don't know. That boy I saw you with the last time is amongst the useless, senseless, nastiest boys in town that use voodoo to confuse married people, women exactly. Ozema. Yes, they take their money, take their property, ruin their marriages, and then they walk away. Stop it. I know this boy better than you do. You have to listen to me. You're making a mistake, Ibwe. This is a mistake. I'm telling you, it's a mistake. I don't even know what I'm doing here. I just came to show you my car and you're getting all angry. Please excuse me. Wait. Excuse me. Just came to show you my car. You're getting all angry.
This step you take could break your home. This step you take could lead to death. A way might seem right, but the end is destruction. Be careful in life to avoid
He's not yet back?
He's not yet back, sir. He's still trying to get the money.
It seems he wants this boy to die.
Sir, why will you say something like that? Doctor, you that saved lives, you cannot save the life of this small boy. Why?
Excuse me.
Doctor, I will not excuse you. I will not excuse you. Why is it that you doctors in this country, you people don't care about any other thing apart from money? Money, money, money.
You don't talk to me like that. Come on.
Yes, I'm sorry. Doctor, sorry. Sorry. I'm not this disrespectful. But come on. Look at Steve. Look at him. Look at him.
Please, he needs to be fast. Call him up immediately. Excuse me.
Hey. Steve, please. Please don't do this. Please don't do this. Don't do this, Steve.
Check the car. Okay, you can check the engine.
Very sound.
I don't like the car.
You don't like this car that you just tested the engine? The engine is sound, the color is full calm. Everything about this car is perfectly okay. You won't regret it.
In 3 weeks' time, if I find any fault, I'll return it back to you.
Even in 1 week time, if you find any fault, just return it immediately.
I'll give 1.4.
1.4? Ah, bros, come on. You know the level of this car now, eh? Make it 1.5. I have my son in the hospital dying. Please.
Because of your son, I'll give you 1.5.
Oh, thank you so much.
The paper?
Yes, there's the paper. They're all recent. The date is still recent. This is a police report and everything. Everything is complete.
Your details?
00203 168 68. Access Bank. Okay. Yeah, I've seen it. Okay. Thank you so much. Nice doing business with you.
Take care, but if I find any faults, back to you.
You won't answer. No problem.
Bye-bye.
Okay, take care.
Take care.
Yeah. Hold on. Let me take my shoe. Okay. You will love the car.
You not tell me this way. Do you want your son to die?
I know you just buried your mother and I didn't want to bother you. And your goods are yet to come from China. So.
Okay. How much is remaining now? Tell me. How much is remaining to
Just
pay
1
the
million
school bill?
naira.
1 million. Is that why you don't want to bother me? Okay, have your account. Let me transfer it. Done.
Done?
Yeah. Quickly go and save your son.
Thank you so much. I will give you a call once I'm done. Okay. Thank you so much.
Take care.
Okay. Hi. God, please save my son. Save my son. Oh Lord. Hi.
Mr. Izu.
Doctor, have you not started?
I have bad news for you. As we were getting ready for the operation, we lost him. So sorry. We have moved his corpse to the patient's ward. You can decide to go with it, or you contact the mortician to take care of the corpse. Okay? Be a man, Mr. Izuna.
Where are you going? This is not the way to your house.
I want to get lost.
You can't get lost. Please. You have to calm down. Calm down. Let me take you back home. Oh? Please. Let me take you back home. Please. Hey, let's go home. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Let's go. Calm down. No.
I am down and living in fear. There is so much that's going on around me. Is this my fate or the way I choose to live? There is no one that understands me. No one understands what I've been through. No one understands the mess I'm into. No one understands. No one understands. No one understands. No one understands the pain in me. No one understands the fear I'm into. No one understands the trap I'm into.
Sir. So I'll be leaving now. Since Steve is no more.
I understand. Do not hesitate to come here. Whenever you want anything I can afford.
Okay, sir.
I heard what happened, and I'm sorry about it.
Ebube went and bought a car. Ebube sold the land and used the money to buy a car. And allowed our son to die.
Izuna, I would advise you put everything behind you and move on. Ebube has shown that she's unworthy of being your wife.
You know, sometimes I ask myself a question. I ask myself what I've done. We have wronged Ebube to deserve this.
It's okay. To be sincere, I'm not happy that you are passing through all this. And I, Dino, will not allow you to drink and get sick because of this useless woman. You deserve a better life. Izuna, let's go inside. Izuna, let's go inside. Everything will be fine again. Izuna.
Hi.
you doing here?
Mama, what sort of question is this? Well, I got to show you.
Hey! Oh, you have come to show me your new car. So you had the money to buy a car, but your son died because of money.
Mama, allow me to sit down first before you start judging me. Eh? Am I the one that killed my son?
You stupid. What sort of spell has possessed you? Don't you have remorse? Ebube, now take this car out of this place before I set it ablaze. Now!
Mama, you wanted to slap me. Well, I just came to rest for a few days. Please, let me just rest. I will leave after a few days.
And I will slap you again, if that will bring you back to your senses. Now take this car out of here. You want to rest in my house?
Mama, I'm not going anywhere. Allow me rest.
Okay. You're not going anywhere. Okay, wait, I'm coming.
Mama, I just came...
No, hold on, I'm coming.
I don't understand. I just came to rest.
Wait, I'm coming. You will rest.
Mama, get it. Mama, what is this now?
Remove this car. I will set it ablaze now.
Mama, let me rest. Mama,
I will set it ablaze.
Mama,
Get it out of here.
hold on. Go in. I said,
Let's go.
So you want to kill me? Don't you have eyes?
Papa, I just wanted to tell you that I can take care of myself even without your son's money. Don't I look more beautiful now that I'm not with him?
Ah, so it's you. You actually wanted to hit me with your car, eh? Don't worry. When you grow older, younger ones will show you the same love you showed me.
Wow, baby, these are really nice. These are limited editions.
I hope you love them.
I love them. I really do love them. Thank you so much.
I should be the one thanking you. You know, I would have been the saddest woman in this world if you didn't come into my life. You complete me. And you make me really happy.
Thank you so much. You know, I told my mom about you.
Oh.
And she can't wait for us to come and meet her.
You did?
Yeah.
Do you think she would like me, considering the fact I've been married before?
My mom? Come on, my mom is not like the other women. I told you she's from Mexico. Guess what? Do you know that my mom have loads of your pictures on her phone?
Oh wow. Are you serious?
I'm telling you.
Okay, in that case I would love to see her.
Definitely. See her. Once we meet my mom and she gives us her blessings, the first thing is that we just go and do the court marriage and then we're leaving this country immediately. I'm tired. We just need to spend time together.
Wow. I never knew you had such plans. You're a real man.
I'm not a noisemaker.
Okay, in that case, I would love to take us out tomorrow.
No, I'm taking you out tomorrow.
No, I said it first. I will take us out.
No, I'm taking us to the best restaurant tomorrow.
Okay, you take us. Okay.
That's it. That's what it should be. I'm the man, so you should always succumb to me.
Okay, I surrender.
Yeah. Wow. Baby, please stop crying. Eh? Calm down and tell me what the problem is.
I'll just kill myself.
Stop saying things like that. You know I can't let you do such a thing. Tell me, what is the problem?
I went to see the doctor to know the state of our baby. Getting there, the doctor had to do a scan, only to find out that there is a tumor growing on our baby's head. He said he needs to operate on him urgently in order to save him.
Wait. I don't understand. A tumor growing on our baby's head. And how does he intend to operate on a baby that is yet to be born?
I don't know. I just want to save myself and this child. I just want to save us.
So, what is it going to cost?
The doctor said he would need a deposit of 1.5 million so he can start.
1.5 million naira. Where am I supposed to get such amount of money?
Do you want our child to die?
I didn't say that. It's just that I don't even have anything to sell to raise such amount of money.
What about this car?
You want me to sell her car?
So? Is she more important than saving our child?
That's not what I meant. It's just that...
Look, I don't know what you want me to do. I'm done.
See, babe, please. Come on now, eh? Why are you doing this? Eh? Calm down. Let's put our heads together and sort this out.
I'll just run away and you will never find me.
You can't do a thing like that.
Try me. I said try me.
Okay. I'll sell the car. Just get back in. Let's go.
When you sell the car, you let me know. And please make it fast. I don't want anything to happen to my child.
May! Hey babe, I've sent the money to you. Please check your phone. If you didn't see the alert, just log into your bank app and check. I'm about to leave the bank now, so get back to me, okay?
Okay, thank you so much.
Alright.
Yes! We've made it!
Why are you so excited? What is it?
Mandy just sent 1.5 million to my account. Look at it!
Wow, 1.5 million naira. That means we're going to Canada anytime soon.
Yes, baby.
Wow.
We're traveling to Canada. You know what? Go meet your friend so that he can start preparing the papers.
Okay. Oh God, so sweet. Thank you so much. I can't believe this.
Thank you. I'm so happy.
I'm happier than you are.
I know who to call, Seth, eh? I know who to call. Wait. Okay, yeah. Make a call Biggie, Seth. Make a call Biggie. Biggie will get something. My guy, have fun now. Wait till they solve. Nah, Biggie. Wait, Biggie, leave that matter first. Just listen to me. Listen to me. I get something. Huh? See, Biggie, I've sold the car. And I don't know what to tell her. I've cracked my head. I don't know. You know, I gotta tell her something where she could believe. Wait, okay. I should tell her that I got robbed. Oh, okay. Okay. Okay, wait. Okay. I should tell her that I got robbed. But that one now, I'm supposed to get wound for my face. How I go take do that one? Abi Oshe. Okay, no wahala. That one, you not the baddest. No wahala. My guy, thank you so much. You just saved me. Relax. I go still talk to you later. Thanks. Now so, who can't do the makeup now? Okay, no wahala. Now I cannot. This. Hey, God. Okay, babe. Babe, how are you? What is it? See, babe, I was driving and I saw some police. I thought they were police people and they stole the car. Okay, wait. She go see the wound from my face now. See, babe, babe, I was just coming and they stole the car from me. And I mean, they pointed the gun at me. And come on, don't you love me now? I go drive. In fact, Seth, I will even cry for her. But the story, that's really work. Not okay. Babe, I was I was just driving and I saw a checkpoint. I thought I thought they were police officers. So I stopped and I don't know, they pointed the gun at me and they beat me up and they took the car. It's simple now. If she doesn't love me, that means if I talk this one, if you don't agree, I beg. That's so it could be. That's so it could be. She loves me, she used her head.
Hello? I'm fine. Okay, I'll pick it up tomorrow. Yes. 4 is fine. Okay, thank you. I'm coming. Babe? Oh God. Babe? What happened to your face?
Babe, I almost died. Hi, God. Hi!
Babe, no. Babe, stop crying. Babe,
Stop crying. Tell me what happened. It's okay, stop crying. It's just... Tell me what happened.
Armed robbers. Oh God.
No.
Hi God.
They took the car. Where did they take car to?
I am telling you that armed robbers almost killed me. And all you care about is the car. It's obvious you don't love me.
No, wait. Calm down. Just go. Sit down, please. Calm down. I never said the car is more important than your life. Thank God you're alive. We can always get another car.
You know what, babe? I want to be left alone. I just want to be left alone.
Okay, let me get water and clean you up and get some medication.
Oh my God. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Hi God. I'm robbers. Oh. My God. So this worked. Finally. Oh God, I'm robbers. Me, money, me. Hi God. It will never be well with anybody that robbed me. My sweat. God. Look at all the pains I'm going through. My nose. Oh my God.
Mandy, are you really going to throw me out after losing my car, my money?
Okay, so you now call me Mandy, right? No, okay, I'm now Mandy, not baby again. Abi, I'm the one that caused it. You said I made you lose your money and your car, right? That's what you said. I made you lose your money and your car. Don't worry, no problem. You have said your mind. You have just said the way you feel about me. No problem. I'm not only going to make you lose your money and your car. I'm going to send you out of this house now. Get your bag and leave this place.